Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Time to win. Golden words said by Dale Carnegie, which I liked. Dr. Ravish Tandon. Your victory is waiting here. Just step in. Socrates said repeatedly to his followers in Athens, "One thing only I know, and that is that I know nothing." Well, I can't hope to be any smarter than Socrates, so I have quit telling people they are wrong, and I find that it pays. If a person makes a statement that you think is wrong, yes, even that you know is wrong, isn't it better to begin by saying, "Well, now look, I thought yourself, other self, but I may be wrong. I frequently am, and if I am wrong, I want to be put right. Let's examine the facts." There's magic, positive magic, in such phrases as "I may be wrong, I frequently am. Let's examine the facts." Nobody in the heavens, above or on earth, beneath or in the water under the earth, will ever object to your saying, "I may be wrong. Let's examine the facts." One of our class member who used this approach in dealing with customer was Harold, a Dodge dealer in Billings, Montana. He reported that because of the pressures of the automobile business, he was often hard-boiled and careless when dealing with customers' complaints. This caused fluid temper, loss of business, and general unpleasantness. He told his class, recognizing that this was getting me nowhere fast. I tried a new tack. I would say something like this: "Our dealership has made so many mistakes that I am frequently ashamed. We may have erected in your case. Tell me about it." This approach becomes quite disarming, and by the time the customer releases his feeling, he is usually much more reasonable when it comes to settling the matter. In fact, several customers have thanked me for having such an understanding attitude, and two of them have even brought me friends to buy new cars. In this highly competitive market, we need more of this type of customer, and I believe that showing respect for all customers' opinions and treating them diplomatically and courteously will help beat the competition. You will never get into trouble by admitting that you may be wrong. That will stop all argument and inspire your opponent to be just as fair and open and broad-minded as you are. It will make him want to admit that he too may be wrong. The magical sentence you should spell daily in life to achieve success: "I will do it. Only I can do it." Please subscribe our channel and click on the link given in this description box to listen this full chapter voice in a single clip.